What is going on, guys? Your boy Ozzy here, back with another beautiful video. You guys are having a wonderful day as always. Today we're gonna hit up Base Meat, the best org, to be honest. I feel like their meats never go wrong. But right now we met up with Chris Wheeler, the man, the myth, the legend. Oh my God. We're here, he's in his GT3 with his brother. Finding Nick was supposed to come, but I don't know what happened with that, but got a little impatient, so we're gonna head to the meet now. I'll see if I can record his car. It's like an 8-minute drive from here, so hopefully I could get like a quick roller. But yeah, I'll pick up the vlog once we get there. Bro, his neighbors have to hate on him. Bro, that thing is insane. Bro, that thing is crazy. Bro, that's ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Oh my God. Okay. Bro, Chris's car is so crazy. If you guys don't know who Chris is, he's the owner of Premium. Premium does wraps, exhaust, everything, you name it. Whatever you want to get done to your car, they'll do it, bro. And
like
that
Voyeur too, no?
Voyeur, there you go. Voyeur's like the PPF and wrap. He owns both of them, Premium and Voyeur. That's crazy, brother. He's really done it with this 3RS. He already told me 2 other cars he's gonna add to the fleet. He sold the Revuelto and I think the McLaren.
He did?
Yeah. Oh. He sold 2 of them, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do to improve the business. My, I think shoots flames. That's crazy. I don't think I've ever seen a 3RS shoot flames, like in person at least. Pretty sure there's videos out there, but I haven't seen any. Bro, I can feel that in my chest. Someone's not happy. Uh-oh. No, Chris. They're gonna get Chris. Oh, shoot.
You think?
No, I don't know. No, yeah, they're trying to get in to shut it down already. That's crazy. I don't know where to go.
Go around and you can't go in anymore?
Chat, they're shutting this shit down. Chat. I'm gonna start live streaming.
Oh my God.
Imagine right now I'd be reading chat, but like, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like everyone who's down there is cooked. I was just talking to Chris about this, that I don't really like the type of car meets where there's only one way in and one way out. I feel like it's such an easy way to, kind of get trapped, I guess. Damn, look at this badass McLaren.
They just aren't letting people go in anymore.
Nope. No, huh? I feel like they're being lenient. They're just letting everyone. Yeah, they're gonna let everyone come out.
You think there's someone down there, like a cop down there? Yeah, huh?
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, because like all those cars are coming up.
Dang, chat. Ooh.
Oh, there's one over there too. Like,
where? Oh, there is.
Excuse the guy asking me to post up right there.
I know the way he said it. Can I post up right there? He's funny.
Is this a cop?
Where?
Right here?
Oh shit! It is. He probably called the cops. That shit sounds nice. All right, you guys, we made it to the gas station. This is like a snack meetup, snack stop. I don't know, but this isn't the official spot. We are here regrouping at a gas station. This is crazy. I want to hear this Z06 rip on the freeway. Damn. Bro, look at. God damn. He got the best. We got Finding Nick in the house. Jeez. Mr. BBS followed along a 30S GT3. God. Wait, this is fucking Ron. What the fuck? What the fuck? That's crazy. Underglow? Hey. Yeah, you can hear the turbos. Carbon diffuser. Another 3RS right there. Damn, bro, it's active tonight. Look at this. You got Nick's R8, you got a 3RS, another 3RS, and Ron's 3RS. 2 white sec 3RSs here. Look at that. You even have a highway here. This is crazy. We're taking over this freaking gas station. Damn. Got a little on a fat tire too. Damn. Bro, the carbon on Nick's car, crazy. Damn, someone has a drone out. Blacked out. Bro, he dogs this thing. He literally dogs this shit. Look. Where is it? Bro. I fuck with the wheels heavy though.
You're in my shot.
Carbon right there. Damn. Bro, he's like two-stepping it. That shit sounds like gunshots. All 4Gs? Oh, God damn. Is that boosted? Bro, there's still more supercars coming in. Like you have an RA right here, and then you have a STO in the back. What the hell? This is crazy. Is this like a drift event?
A drift car, huh?
Yeah, it looks like it. That's literally what I just said. No, hell yeah. Look how they're oh, yeah. And it's cam. That shit sounds nice. Bro, there's still hella people coming in. Bro, it's always the bikers ruining their shit. Oh. Chaos. Bro, the people who are from LA and drove here are crazy. Like these fools, all of these fools are from LA. It's crazy.
Recording. Now you gotta edit like the Fortnite like gulping sound effect.
No, yeah, I do, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, this is bomb.
What's your favorite car here?
Favorite car here? Probably the STO.
Yeah.
STO.
So many people to a gas station, bro.
It's her fault.
Honestly, straight up, it's always her fault.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, appreciate it. It's literally like the best meets here in SoCal, bro. I'm not even lying. Based_community, bro. Look at this. Oh shit, sorry. Bro. This is insane, bro. Bro, you can see the traffic on the freeway, not on camera, but in person. This thing's still going. Holy. Man, he's chopping like crazy. Bro, this literally looks like Uzi's R8, kind of, in a way. I'll put a picture. This thing is crazy. White wheels. What's up, bro?
Got here, hello.
Huge ass wing. Pink calipers. Everything's all pink. Oh, I'm about to get smacked. Bro, we found her car. On HREs, bro. M4 on HREs. G80 right here. What is it on? BBS's. Carbon hood, side mirrors. I like the matching. They're literally matching. Matching colors. That's clean. You have the two of the most common wheels right here. Sick. Damn. Bro, we're literally walking over here. We're gonna see the chaos out here. Ooh, white wheels on the BC. White ZR1 right there. That's crazy. So many different cars here. I'm not even lying, we're looking at GTA server. Another supercar right there. And then there's a Huracan right there. And then there's a cop behind there. We don't talk about that. We're not gonna talk about that. There's no cops. Where you have one ZR1 right there and another one right here. I'm jealous. I'm hella jealous. Bro, I'm jealous. I wish I had a ZR1. Bro, look at the Miata. Oh, he was like flapping each light. No, he's gonna come in here, yeah. Oh, crap. Did you guys take a gray ZR1? Or, let's walk over here. Let's look at the other one. So that gray one, or this white one. White or gray? I low-key fuck with the white one. I'm not even gonna lie. Well, that's our cue to leave, bro. I'm pretty sure there's more. There's more where that came from. No, yeah, we do. We're trapped. Yeah? Yeah, we're trapped, bro. Fuck that. We're heading out. Oh, wait, we're not that trapped in. Damn. Let's go. All right, you guys. Oh, hold up, I'm going through this curve. We got pretty much screwed over. In short words, we got screwed over. We were literally like the last ones in that damn lot. We were the first ones there and the last ones out.
That's usually how it is, though.
That's true, but as we were leaving, there was like 8 cops right there. They were just staring at me.
I'm pretty sure they're staring at everyone.
That's true, but yeah, we're gonna try to catch up to the rest of the people. We're not gonna speed. We're just gonna drive normal. Hopefully, we catch up to them, but. Yeah, we're going on to the 3rd location.
I think it's the last one.
Like 3rd and final location. Food stop. Bro, Ron's acting rowdy. Fucking Ron, bro. Bro, we just got here. We parked right here. In-N-Out workers are looking mad. They look pissed. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, I was parked somewhere where I wasn't supposed to. And the cops are telling me to get the fuck out of the way, so that's what I'm doing. I'm moving so I don't get in trouble. Imagine I still get in trouble. There's 3 of them here, but we're looking at doing anything bad. We're just actually parking and chilling. Should I go over there or no? Bro, they called for backup. You have one right here, one right there, one over there with the bright light, one far over there, and then this one right here. Oh, he's getting off. I think he's gonna talk to like the In-N-Out employees. Bro, I got out to park like right there for a little bit, and all the supercars are gone. But this beautiful machine is still here. Is that stock? Or are they white? No, right? They're black? I mean white, because they're paint matched. That looks clean. Carbon front splitter. Exposed supercharger. Dang. See all one. Alright guys, we're gonna take off. Sheesh, beautiful view right there. We're gonna take off, bruh. It's too hot. I don't want to be the last one here either. Still a bunch of cops. We're gonna see if we could catch any people on the freeway. All right, you guys. We didn't catch up to anyone, and neither of us wanted in and out. So
Wait.
show them. We got canes. We're gonna share a caniac because it's lucky late. So yeah, we're gonna call it a day right there. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. A little different. It's like my first time ever pre-meeting with someone
Other than your friend.
with a supercar. Damn. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Huge shout out to Chris. Forgot. Go follow Premium and Voyeur. I'll put the ads right here.